Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game and platform support deep links. This matters because unsupported titles simply ignore parameters. Next, retrieve your developer key, app ID, and redirect URI from the platform console so authentication will succeed. Then build the deep link payload including game ID, start mode, optional level or checkpoint, and a user token. This tells the cloud session what to launch. Once done, encode parameters safely and test a short link to ensure the target parses the payload correctly before continuing. Now integrate the link handler into your app or landing page so the system captures intents and routes them to the cloud runtime. This is how users jump straight into gameplay. Make sure the auth flow exchanges the user token for a session token and verifies permissions, because failed auth halts the launch. Then call the Cloud Runtime API with the runtime parameters you encoded. This ensures the correct game, level, and settings initialize. Once integrated, run automated tests across devices to catch environment-specific issues. Finish by monitoring session logs and telemetry so you can spot launch failures or latency spikes fast. Observability helps you fix root causes. Implement fallback handling. If a deep link fails, offer a retry, manual join button, or a clear error message so users aren't stranded. Make sure you document the link format, rate limits, and rotate credentials regularly while enforcing short token expiry for security. If something goes wrong, check auth errors first, then network and parameter encoding before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.